Okay, hi. Something really exciting just came in the mail, and I thought I would share it. Oh my god, it's a, well, first of all, ASMR. Oh, there's a fine line between ASMR and pure irritation. But that is pretty nice. I might need to figure out a way to keep this bubble wrap intact. Okay, if you just do this. There we go. Ah! Dear Michael, here's an advance of Golden Gate Park and A to Z Adventure direct from the printer in China. I think it looks fabulous and hope you think so too. Congratulations on this beautiful book. Rachel, Olivia, Angie, and Jen. That's from the nice people at West Margin Press. Here is my new kids book. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm pretty sure that the camera's turned the wrong way. Okay, what the hell? Oh my god, this looks so good. Okay, see, first thing to notice is they did like a gloss layer on the lettering. So Golden Gate Park shines. They used a really nice, like a matte paper. Ah! Oh my god, this looks great. Even though I'm looking at it upside down. Oh. Oh. Oh, it looks wonderful. Oh my god, okay. Okay, good. It's like the original version of this turned out kind of dark, so they lighten that up for me. This is great. Oh my god. I love how these pages flow together. I didn't expect some of these things to happen, but they totally work. Ah! Like, look at the way the H and I flow together. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's for Carl the Fog. L is for lawn bowling. And put some more details back in here, so this page is a little bit more interesting. Oh my god, and also, the smell of ink. Honey, there is nothing like it. Aromatherapy, sweetie. Oh, my darlings. Okay, well, I'm so happy. This looks great. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, well, I'm gonna bring this and share this with my students tonight. I hope you all like it. We're organizing some really fun openings, some events. Then they made a little treasure hunt. So then they mark all the spaces on the back so that you can go around and find all the spots in the park. Oh my god. Okay. Exciting. There you go. Yay. Okay.